Wanted to share with you the GEG Rapid Deployment Mobile Fogging System for ESOL that has been built in-house. Fits inside a standard pelly case with its own pressurized system. Runs off a 12-volt car battery and a mains inlet. System is being driven by ESOL concentrate, and this is a 4 litre an hour fogger for vehicles, rooms, crew cabs, tents, shipping containers. So I'll just go ahead and start the system. That's one of our larger foggers in the background, an 18 litre an hour fogger, and is capable of filling large spaces very quickly. So now we are dry fogging ESOL. This is an approved sterilizer, antipathogen, antimicrobial. The entire system fits inside the pelly case. Only external is the standard battery and the ESOL itself. As I say, the system is running at 4 litres per hour, so very little use. This is a 25 litre container of ESOL, easily 2-man portable, 1-man operation. Thank you.